Hi, I'm Sarah from Hotpoint. I'm the Brand and Communications Manager. I'm here with KBB Ark to talk all about Hotpoint's Fresh Thinking Cafe. So really Hotpoint is all about teaming up with Jamie Oliver and creating kind of hints and tips to get consumers to think differently about forgotten foods. With our refrigerators, we really like to educate consumers in terms of where to put food in the refrigerator. So for example, meat and fish should really be kept lower down in the refrigerator where it's around 0 degrees, which helps keep them fresher for longer. Whereas dairy items such as milk, butter really should be a little bit higher in the fridge where the temperature is a touch higher, which helps them stay fresher for longer. So Hotpoint has created the Fresh Thinking Cafe as we really want to inspire consumers to think differently about the top 10 wasted foods. All of the recipes that you'll find on the menu today have been inspired by real consumers, and that's how their take on stopping food waste. And so we're really hoping that consumers will go home, look at the fridge, inside their fridge, look at the food that they've got inside it, and create some really new recipes that can really kind of feed the family and stop food going into the bin. So Hotpoint's Day One technology is all part of our refrigerator technology that keeps food fresh for longer. So the Day One technology incorporates a multitude of technologies, one of which is our active oxygen, which removes ethylene from the refrigerator and fills it with fresh air, so it keeps that food, especially fruit and vegetables, fresh for longer. So I've been Sara Bazeley, and that was my 90 seconds with KBB Ark. For more hints and tips on how you can think differently about the forgotten food in your fridge, please visit www.hotpoint.co.uk.